Hello there, in this video we're going to take a look at the Doghouse betting scraper from scrapingsolutions.com.au. The purpose of this software is to scrape racing results from the website thedogs.com.au. So let's take a look at the program. Okay, so the first thing we do before using the program is we need to have the Firefox browser installed. Now you can get this by going to the mozilla.org website. Okay, so I have Firefox installed, so I can go ahead and use the program. Up the top here we have a from date and a to date, so you can select the date range. Just click on the link and it opens up a calendar, and we'll choose today's date, and then we'll choose the to date, which I'll choose, let's say Sunday 14th. Now next to that we have an auto export button here, and if you press on that it ticks the box. Now with this feature you can have the program automatically export the data into a CSV file, and then you can find this file in the output folder, which will be created inside the debug folder once you start the process. So let's go ahead and start the scraping process with this export feature, the auto export feature enabled. Now notice a few windows will pop up. One of them will be the Firefox browser. Like I said before, we needed to have that installed for the program to work. So that's now scraping. We also have under that the gecko-driver.exe. We need to leave both of these running, so just leave them running. You can go ahead and minimize them if you wish, and you can see the results are appearing now in the program. So we're just going to wait for that to scrape. Anytime you want to stop this scraping process, just press on the stop button right at the top, and then just press on OK. Okay, so as you can see, it's gathered the data. So I'm just going to go through all of the columns here so you can see what they are. It's collected the track information, the race date, race number, place, and the number, distance, and if I scroll across a bit more, it's also collected the dog name, the grade, first selectional, second selectional, time run, weight, SP, it's got ID, it's got reference URL and the URL here, scrape date, and it's also got the export column here, which is used for manually exporting any row that you like here. Okay, so now I'll just show you where the auto exported data is located. So if we go to that debug folder, double click on that, and now you'll see this output folder right here. And there you will see the Excel document, which is a CSV file, and basically in that document will be all the data we've collected. Now to view this document, it's recommended to close the program first, so I'll just quickly do that, and then we'll open it up and I'll just show you the contents. So as you can see here, we have all the rows and columns here, and all the data has been collected nicely stored in this Excel document. So you can use that as you wish. Now we're going to launch the program again. Okay, so before we start the program, we need to close the Firefox browser and the Gecko driver. Once they're closed, we can launch the program. So I've launched the program, and as you can see, it's remembered all our information. That's because the program will save it so you can resume at a later date. If you want to clear at any time, just go to Settings up the top, and then just press on the Reset Database button. Now I'll show you how to export the data manually. Just scroll to the right hand side, and then in the Export column, you can select the individual rows. Select the data you require to be exported, then press the Export To button right at the top, and then select a location where you want to put the file. I'll say Downloads, enter a file name, I'll just call it My Data, then select the file type, a CSV file or an Excel file, and then just press Save, and then just press OK. So that file has now been saved at that location. Lastly, I'll just show you the Settings button at the top, and we'll just go through some of the options I haven't talked about already. Here we have max threads. Now you can use multi-threads when extracting data, and it will speed up the data extraction process. But as a warning, using multi-threads can block your IP quickly, so make sure you use one thread only. Now the random request delays. This means how many seconds it will take to extract one record. You should use random request delays to avoid an IP block. Now here we have random retry on failed delay. If the scraping process fails for whatever reason, for example a network issue, the program will retry after an X number of seconds. And here we have the duplicate checks. Select this box if you want to skip the duplicate records. And as I said before, we have the reset database to clear the data you've collected. And lastly, I'll mention that the program uses random time delays, multiple browser user agents to stop an IP ban. If you have a similar requirement to extract data from a similar betting website, you can always buy this software from us, and we can completely customize it to your needs within 3 to 5 business days. We can also give free 12 months warranty on the software against any HTML changes done by thedogs.com.au that could stop the software working. But if you are too busy to run a software on your own, you can use our 100% managed data extraction services. So we can just send you the data you require daily, weekly or monthly for a small fee. Get in touch with us using our website www.scrapingsolutions.com.au and click on Get a Quote at the top right hand corner of the website. We will then give you a quote for our managed data extraction services, or to buy this software as it is with any modifications you like to it. We usually reply within a couple of hours. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget you can check us out on our YouTube channel. The link is on the screen now. Thanks for watching.